Hey guys, sorry if you could hear the fans of my computer. I'm actually rendering the last video in the background to you, but this is actually a really important video, and that's why I'm going to make multiple updates on this. So, for anyone who doesn't know about Twitch, the streaming platform that is better than YouTube for streaming, not for videos though, because you can't post videos, anyone who doesn't know won't know that on Twitch, well, anyone who does know actually will know on Twitch there's two really important achievements. Twitch Affiliate, which allows you to get Twitch Prime subs, which basically people can subscribe with Twitch Prime or subscribe for $5, and the streamer basically gets about $2.50 per each sub, and bits, which are worth a cent a piece and can be given to the streamer by the viewers. But there's also a second achievement called Twitch Partner, which allows you to make ad revenue. But to get these achievements, you have to fulfill certain tasks, or I guess you could say do achievements, as Twitch calls them. And I'm currently a Twitch affiliate. I've been a Twitch affiliate for 2 years, and I want more. Basically, I want to get to Twitch Partner, but I need your help. Basically, the way to get to Twitch Partner is I need to stream 25 hours, 12 days, and average 75 viewers in a 30-day period. Now, my current average is 10. And 10 viewers. I have 20, it's like 17 out of 12 days, and I have like 72 hours streamed. So that's not the problem. The problem is that I need to get my average viewer count to 75. And that's where you guys come in. Here's the plan. Starting Thursday, because that's when the YouTube live streams end, I will be starting to stream on Twitch. Starting this Thursday, American Thursday, for anyone that's in Australia, that'll be Friday, or, you know, that side of the world. But basically, I'll be starting to stream on Twitch only. So make sure you, if you don't have a Twitch account, make a Twitch account now. There'll be a link in the description to my Twitch to follow. Now, here's where you guys benefit from this. If we average, so average throughout the whole stream, the average is 75 viewers or greater for each stream, whichever stream. So if I, on the first stream, hit 75 viewers, on the first stream, I will give away 16 gigs of 3000 megahertz DDR4. And if you can't use this, you can always sell it. It's worth money. Just saying, for anyone that's like, what if I can't use it? So if we average 75 viewers or more on any stream, 16 gigs DDR4. Okay? Hear that? Now, if we average it on a second stream, 16 more gigs of DDR4 to like any person that was there. Whoever was there, and whoever was active in chat, or maybe just has the most watch time, depends on the day. Or so one day it'll be random, one day it'll be watch time, one day it'll be most active in chat. If we hit these 75, if we don't hit 75, nothing. There will be nothing. So that's 16 gigs of RAM right there. If we hit 75 again, or greater, the hope is greater, 16 more gigs of RAM. Different type now. This is only 2400 speed. Doesn't matter. It's RAM. And it's nice. Now, if we get 75 again, and our average becomes 75, if we get our average up to 75, I will give up this 32 gig kit. I think. I think this is 32. I don't feel like checking, but I thought it was 32. It might be 16. I don't know. But basically, this is a kit of Trident Z Royal. This is very expensive, very nice RAM. It is gold, and it's got like a diamond-looking light. It lights up. This is very nice. So if we get our average to 75 during next week, so basically from Thursday and onward, I'll be starting to stream only on Twitch. No more YouTube streams. All my streams will be on Twitch because we're almost done with our watch time. If we hit that average, we will give away this. Now, after you hit the average, you can my English is so bad. You can apply for Twitch Partner. Also, just saying now, sorry about the shadows. I don't have lights. Whatever. You can apply for, I should probably stop throwing this around, Twitch Partner. If we apply and we are given Twitch Partner, I will buy one of your computer. There's nothing else to that. Me and the person who wins will either message or chat in Discord, and I'll make a video out of it, just for funsies. We will go through. It'll probably be around like $1,000 computer, or 1,200-ish. And since because I would like to buy it and build it and stuff, but the problem is that I can't shipping would be way more. It would be more worth it for me to just buy it and have it shipped to you instead of me actually shipping it to you. And this way, there's no actual mistakes. So what we'll do is we'll either go on Amazon, and if there's any pre-builts that are good within a good price range that you like, you get it. I'm talking to like one person who wins. Like I said, there'll be a random person who's been on the streams. And if not, we go on the iBuyPower website and do the configurator, and we get a nice Ryzen system. Yes, Ryzen, because we love Ryzen. Unless you really want Intel. In that case, we'll go for an Intel system, but you'll get less. Just saying. You get less if with Intel. You get less. Less everything. But that's it. So basically, I have, let's see if I can pick this all up without, I mean, I've probably broken one of these sticks. This is 48 gigabytes of DDR4. 48. 16 times 3 is 48, I think. That's all on top of each other. And when we hit 75, average, we'll reach up to 64 or 70, 64 plus 16, or 80. If this is 32, this is 80 gigabytes of RAM. Plus, if we get this 72, I will buy more RAM so that we can give away 16 gigs a day. So like I said, come on Twitch, just leave your phone on, leave your computer on, make sure you're a viewer. You can have up to 2 devices on Twitch. Just saying. So if you want 2 devices, you can have 2 on the same internet in the same house on the same IP address, and after that, Twitch starts blocking. Now, for anyone who doesn't want RAM, like I said, the winner gets to choose what they want. So they can have 16 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs. For anyone who anyone who doesn't want RAM, you could also choose this keyboard, because I still have it since I canceled this giveaway and made it the other keyboard. I still have one of these, and I actually have another one of the Razer keyboards. I also have... is this it? Yep. A Razer Death Adder Chroma to give away too. So if you need any of this will come with like a mouse pad, a mouse bungee, and everything to get you all set up, so you're not left without a way to use it. So basically, that's the stuff I have for the giveaway on Twitch. So basically, every time we hit so it's a lot of people. It's a group effort, 75. I've seen a lot more of you. I will upload this video and call it like Twitch RAM giveaway or something, and it'll get like 100 views in a couple minutes. So I know for a fact 75 people can leave their phone on or something. If you're in school, tell your friends. Be like, hey yo, school friends, get on this. I sound like a 35-year-old. Okay, but that's it. Like, it's super easy. Just hop on Twitch, let's hit 75, let's average 75. If we get more, maybe I'll do something crazy on stream, like buy something or eat a ghost pepper again. But basically, literally, I will give away RAM right after, like, I'll check the average after the stream, and on the next day's stream, either give it away like that, or I'll just whisper to the person, and if they want to be announced, they'll be announced. If not, I'll just whisper, send out the RAM to them in a small box, and done. Shipping is like $2. And like I said, if we get partner, and the reason I'm doing this, because if we get partner, we can start making actual money on Twitch. Because you can get ad revenue on Twitch after that. The point is, if we get ad revenue on Twitch, and we keep hitting this average, I'll probably make that money back, so I'm going to buy someone a computer. Literally, I will buy somebody a computer if we do this and we hit Twitch partner, because I really want to do it within a week. Honestly, we're going to try to do it within a week. My goal is to actually hit 100 viewers each live stream average, so we can just go right up very easily. It would probably be one of the smallest channels with partner, which would be amazing. But that's about it. So basically, oh yeah, and also another reason I want partner, just like the reason I want YouTube monetization, is so that off these giveaways I can make money and then do more giveaways. Like on Twitch, if we're making, I don't know, a certain amount of money a week, we'll just put it right back into Twitch and be like, okay, let's do another RAM giveaway. Let's get 150 viewers, something like that, right? So this is possibly 80 gigs of RAM already that I have. I might just head to Micro Center, grab a couple more kits of these. These are like my favorite RAM. They're, I guess you can call them budget RAM, but they're really nice. The 3000 megahertz kit of G.Skill Aegis. They're in the, couple, like $80 or something. I don't know how much they cost, but they're really nice, easy to buy. I could buy a couple more of these so that if we can do 7 days of 75 or more viewers, we can hopefully get that average done and apply for it. And if we hit it, I'll buy someone a computer. If we apply and they say no, we'll try again. And like I said, once we hit that, we'll do it, because we're going to hopefully have YouTube monetization by the end of this week, or at least have it applied for, and that's about it. So I really hope you guys will join me on Twitch, like I said, starting Thursday. No. Okay, so like I said, follow my Twitch, link in the description. Make sure you followed. Create an account, create 2 accounts, create 10 accounts. Just make sure you followed on Twitch. We should be, if we're ready to do this, I'll know we're ready if we hit 2,000 followers on Twitch. Because I mean, you guys really want this RAM. This is such an easy, 75, and I give away, 4 different kits, and there will be no double winners so that everyone has a chance, just so you know. I mean, of course, I would hope that if someone wins, they would come by again. But for this giveaway, there will be no double winners, because I think that would be unfair. So like I said, one's going to be watch time, one's going to be active in chat, one's going to be just random completely, and the computer will be completely random. Yeah, I like to do any computer giveaway completely random, randomly generated. I have someone watching the viewer list, typing up any new names that comes in, and putting them in the generator. So guys, hop on over to Twitch, hit me with a follow. Let's get to 2,000 followers so we know we're ready. And on either Thursday night, you'll get it. Twitch, unlike YouTube, actually notifies when I'm live. So either on Thursday night, or like in kind of the middle of the day Thursday. I'm going to get my hair done actually. But sometime Thursday, maybe more like 2-3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, or Friday night at the latest, we will start our live stream on Twitch. We'll call it Push to Partner, or Push to Twitch Partner, something like that. Probably like Push to Partner, so it sounds interesting. And we're going to hit 75 or more, and we're going to give you guys some RAM. It's going to be great. Well, hopefully we can do this so we can make some money on Twitch, and we can make some money on YouTube, and then we can start actually getting into the brunt of this. We can do some more tech videos. I definitely want to vlog me doing my dual PC setup. As you can see, I'm still on the old setup. I don't know if by now, like I said, when I'm releasing this, I just released the setup tour video, so I'm just releasing videos whenever I make them. So guys, let's do this. Thursday in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, let's push to Twitch Partner. 75 or more average viewers. It means we need to hit 75, go above it, and hold it for the entire stream. Now, if we're streaming for like 3 hours, and all of a sudden we drop to like 50, I'll end it right there and start streaming on YouTube or something like that, where the viewer count doesn't matter as much. But like I said, so we gotta hold a high viewer count. Guys, we can do this. I know I've said this 1,000 times, but I know we can do this. And I know people saying, why are you trying to do this? I want to do more giveaways. My goal is that the original, like I said, I want to find the original 75 people helping me get partner, and I want to give each and every one of them something. I mean, obviously right now I can't, but if I start making money on YouTube and Twitch, I would like to be giving people stuff. Like every week, the plan is giveaways. From now until forever, well, eventually. The plan would be to do weekly giveaways on Twitch and weekly giveaways on YouTube, at least one thing a week. If we can start making, like, the point is to make enough money each week on YouTube to do a giveaway on YouTube, and each week on Twitch to do a giveaway on Twitch. That would be the biggest goal. That would be the best thing. And I hope we will all come over to Twitch right now, hit me with a follow, get to 2,000 followers, and that's how I know we're ready. Because that means 150-ish people followed right then and there and saw this video and are ready Thursday Eastern Standard Time. I'll be streaming for so long, so if you have to drop off the stream, even if you can't just leave your phone on the charger while you go to bed or something, drop off the stream, someone will come right back on, because we have such an international group of great people. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope we can do this. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.